Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Vijay and today I am going to teach you lecture number 44 in MS Excel. Today we will talk about how to maintain a student fee record. As you can see here, whether it's a school, academy or college, I have to maintain some kind of record where the fee is collected on a per month basis. So as you can see here, I have mentioned the date, name, course and fee. Now when we come to this section, as we write the students' names here, the total fee for that student, whether it's for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, or however many months the record is for, will be accumulated here. And here, you will be able to see how many times and over what period the student has paid the fee. For example, suppose I type Ali Raza here and as soon as I press enter, it shows that Ali Raza has paid the fee twice here and the total fee amounts to 5,000. So you can see that for Ali Raza, it is showing 2,500 here, and here as well it is showing 2,500 for Ali Raza. Similarly, if we write Anil Kumar here, so as I type Anil Kumar here and press enter, you can see that Anil's fee has also been added twice here. Once on August 7th, 2021, 2,000 was deposited, and the second time here, 5,000 was deposited. So, how do we prepare this format? That is what I am going to teach you in this lecture today. As always, before starting the lecture, I would like to say that if you are able to learn something new from this video today, please make sure to like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. This is the same data that I have added here on sheet number 1. You need to write this data on the sheet in this way, and then here, you see in the student name box, you have to enter the name of any student. After that, where the total fee is written, you need to click on that cell. Once you've clicked on the cell, you have to write a small formula so that we can display the result. So for that, you will write equals to. And here you need to write SUMIFs, not SUMIF, but the SUMIFs formula is what we will use here. Then open the bracket and you have to select this entire column where the fees have been collected. Then if you want to sum up this fee, you need to consider based on what you want to sum it, based on names. So select the entire column where you have written the students' names. After that, among these names, which specific name do you want to sum? You will put a comma. After the comma, in the cell next to where you have written the student's name, for example, where I have written Ali Raza, just click there. After that, you need to close the bracket and press enter. Now, as you can see here, the total for Ali Raza is showing as 5,000. And if I type Rashid here, so I typed Rashid Ali, then for Rashid Ali, it is showing 3,500 here. And if I type, let's say, Sunil Das, then here it is still showing 5,000, as you can see here. Now, after this, we also want to show how many times this student has deposited the fee. So for this, what we need to do is write equals to, and then you have to type COUNTIF. Start the bracket. After starting the bracket, you need to select all those names where you have added the students' names. Then you want to count the names based on the name you have written here, like Sunil Das, and after that, you will close the bracket and press enter. So you can see that Sunil Das has submitted a fee of 5,000, but he has deposited it only once. So here we want to see how many times Ali Raza has deposited the fee. So we type Ali Raza and press enter, and you can see that Ali Raza has deposited a total fee of 5,000 here, and he has deposited it twice. As you can see, Ali Raza here has 2,500. And in this way, Ali Raza here again has 2,500. Then after that, we click on Sunny. So here I typed Sunny Aurora and pressed enter 7,000. Here you can see this is Sunny 3,500. And after that, here we have Sunny Aurora 3,500. So this was my lecture for today in which I taught you how you can maintain students' records. I hope you learned a lot of new things in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.